All right, have you thought about running a giveaway with influencers? This is a great combination when you combine the viral factor and referral factor of giveaways and contests with the approach and reach of influencers. So what I mean by this is influencers are constantly selling their attention, whether it's through a product, whether it's through a brand asking them to sell their product, or whether it's them trying to push their own products and services or their own content to grow their social following. Now, you have a great opportunity here using giveaways, because if you create a giveaway which is giving away something for free that's attracting the types of people you want on your email list to follow you on social, you can then go and approach 5, 10, 20 influencers and say, hey, we're running this giveaway. We're giving away this awesome prize. Would you want to help us promote this giveaway? Now, sometimes you're going to have to give them a fee. Sometimes you're going to have to give them maybe some of the leads or the social following. So for example, when someone signs up and you have a list of things they need to do, they might need to follow all those influencer accounts. But you can create some really good partnerships with influencers and giveaways so that it's a win-win situation. Because when you're creating and running your own giveaway on contest, promoting your own products to your own audience might not get the results that you're looking for. But if you take your products in your giveaway and you amplify it with all of these influencer marketing audiences, you can create a huge amount of buzz around this. And not only that, but all of those people will be new. They won't know about your brand because they're following the influencer that you've partnered with. So think about what prize you can offer that's going to attract your target customer, what influencers are going to be really good and influencers in your specific niche, and then how you can create a good arrangement with a giveaway, whether you're paying them, giving them extra followers, giving them more attention, sharing the leads. You can definitely think of something. We have an awesome blog post on it, so go check that out. But yeah, it's a great 1-2 combination, which works really, really well. And definitely check out some of the case studies if you're looking to try and use influencer marketing with giveaways and contests for a lot of growth.